Hey Danish tubers, Danish language enthusiasts, it's been a while. Welcome back to another random Danish phrases video. Let's do it. DanishTube. I've got 5 lovely Danish phrases. Well, actually some of them are words, but let's get right into it. The first one is at være, blive, fyr og flamme. Fyr og flamme. Fire and flame. When you are or you become fire and flame, that means you're really excited about something. For example, jeg blev fyr og flamme, da jeg så, at Nick og Jay skulle spille koncert på min fødselsdag. Jeg blev fyr og flamme, da jeg så, at Nick og Jay skulle spille koncert på min fødselsdag. That was a long example. Næste, and this is actually a word, not a phrase, it is fjerneren. Fjerneren. The fjerne. The TV, basically, it's a slang word for TV. Lad os tænde for fjerneren. Bonus word, tossekassen, which of course is the idiot box. How often do you watch tossekassen? Write a comment below. I want to take this opportunity to jump in and let you know about the brand new Essential DanishTube members platform. You can now access the first Essential Danish Grammar video course or become a member of my site. Through membership, you get access to all future courses as well as quizzes, games, and also live webinars, Q&A sessions that is, and weekly classes. Go over to my website and check it out. For now, let's get on to the next phrase, or it is actually a word, and that is blæst. Blæst. You may have heard me talk about this one on my podcast or at some point because it's a favorite of mine. According to the Danish dictionary, it means ikke ved sin fornuftsfulde brug, for eksempel på grund af påvirkning af rusmidler. That means not in your complete reason, not in your senses, due to, for example, the use of drugs. But really, somebody doesn't have to be taking drugs for you to use this expression, or this word rather. If you can say a person is blæst, han er helt blæst. It's kind of like he's not all there. He's completely gone. He's like not with us. You know, when a person is just in their own world, or they say things that don't make any sense, or they say things that are out of place, it's almost like they're not in the same universe as you. That person is blæst. A situation can also be blæst. Det er helt blæst. Next one is an expression, and it is called at sovse rundt. At sovse rundt, to sauce around. Sounds kind of spicy, right? But really it just means to use an unnecessary amount of time on something, and probably it won't end up being of any use. Jeg sovser ikke rundt. I don't sauce around. And lastly, expression number 5, it is gaven, der bliver ved med at give. Gaven, der bliver ved med at give. The gift that keeps on giving. And if you know this one in English, that just means it's something that you can keep getting use out of. It's not a one-time thing. This is something that keeps developing. Much like the new DanishTube platform, which is a complete platform for Danish learners. It has video courses, ebooks, quizzes, games, community access, webinars, and weekly classes. It is completely everything you need to get good at Danish. Go over and check it out. Follow the links in the description if that sounds like something for you. Alternatively, you can become a member of the YouTube channel, become a member of Team Aarhus, Team Copenhagen, Team Denmark, whichever one you want to join. Go over to my channel and check it out. Ellers så siger jeg tak for denne gang. Thanks for this time. I hope you enjoyed these expressions. Leave a comment below if you know more fun Danish words or expressions that you want to share with the community. Vi ses i den næste. DanishTube.